Hello everyone, welcome to HLC. Today we would like to show you one of our common precision metal parts, that is metal spring clips. This product is made of SUS 301. It has good elasticity, strength, and electrical conductivity. It is very suitable for metal spring clips that need stable spring force and reliable contact. After the material is confirmed, the metal strip enters the precision progressive stamping process. In one progressive die, the metal strip passes through several stations. Each station completes one process, such as punching, trimming, bending, forming, or contact area processing.
For metal spring clips, stamping accuracy is very important. If the dimensions are not stable, the product may have poor contact, unstable spring force, or assembly problems. At HLC, our purpose is to and form the spring clips in one process, and the finished part has a perfect appearance. In many switches, circuit breakers, and automotive electrical applications, the metal spring clips are used together with silver electrical contacts. What you are seeing now are the contacts being processed. Later, the contacts will be fixed onto the spring clips while rebuilding and welding. This allows the spring clips to provide a stable spring force and also achieving a better electrical contact performance.
For metal spring clips, appearance, dimensions, and key functional positions are very important. Reliable electrical components come from strict control of every detail. From tooling development, sample validation, to mass production and automated assembly, we provide stable manufacturing solutions for our customers. If you need custom metal spring clips for switches, circuit breakers, automotive systems, and electrical components, welcome to contact us.